You can watch stock and inventory menu also in very detailed with reporting and stock management window. When purchase entries are not maintained, then stock shows negative values. On each purchase you should add purchase entries. Item stock also be seen in reports. Click on Create Report. Default report is for stock inventory. This report can be printed directly or exported to PDF, Excel, or Word. In Product and Services section you can group inventory by company name or product name, which helps you to better understand about stock. You can also analyze inventory in stock menu, where items are counted on the basis of company, model, and name separately, so that you can easily know how many laptops you have of any company, or how many other items you have related to same model. In Collective tab you can see Normal View, in which you can create quick order list in Excel to edit it for ordering the stock. For adding the item in order list, click on Import Selected button by selecting Item in List. After that you can export it to PDF.
Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.